Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E14 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with opening the dialer because I'd like to begin with showing you the fastest way to check the serial number, and after that I'll show you another additional way of checking the serial number. So all we have to do here is to enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way through the settings. So let's tap on them. Here in this list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now we have to localize the serial number, which is usually not shown here. We have to enter the model. In the device details you will find the model, so let's tap on it, and as you can see the serial number is right under the model info. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.